The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Black pepper sauce crabs, known as Cua Rang Tiêu in Vietnamese, is a bold, aromatic seafood dish that captures the very essence of Vietnamese home cooking, minimalist ingredients elevated by precise high-heat technique. Fresh crabs are wok-fried with a generous heap of freshly ground black pepper and garlic, then briefly simmered in chicken stock until the shells glisten with a peppery, savory glaze. The result is a dish of remarkable depth, where the natural sweetness of crab meat meets the fiery warmth of black pepper in a harmonious, almost addictive union. Main ingredient: 2-3 fresh medium crabs. Aromatics and seasonings: 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Liquid: 1/2 cup chicken stock, or 1/4 stock cube dissolved in 1/2 cup hot water. Garnish: 1 spring onion, thinly sliced. Here is the written ingredient list for black pepper sauce crabs recipe guide. Scrub and rinse the crabs thoroughly under cold running water. If using live crabs, the most humane method is to place them in the freezer for 20 minutes to put them into a state of deep sleep before handling. Detach the claws from each crab. Firmly grip the body and top shell, then gently pull them apart. Lift off the carapace and discard it. Scrape out any roe from the shell and discard the feathery gills from both sides of the body. Remove the 2 hard appendages at the crab's mouth. Rinse the crab bodies well under cold water, then use a sharp cleaver to halve each crab body. Crack the claws with a mallet. This allows the sauce to penetrate the shell and makes eating easier. Thinly slice the spring onion and mince the garlic. Set both aside. Heat the 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok over high heat until shimmering. Add the minced garlic and freshly ground black pepper. Stir fry until intensely fragrant, about 30 seconds. The pepper should bloom and fill the kitchen with its aroma. Add all the crab pieces to the wok. Stir fry vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, tossing constantly so every piece gets coated in the garlic pepper oil. Season with the sugar and salt, tossing to distribute evenly. Pour in the chicken stock, give everything a good stir, then cover the wok. Reduce heat slightly and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until the crabs are cooked through and the sauce is reduced to a glossy coating. Add the sliced spring onion, stir well to combine, and immediately remove from the heat. Transfer the crabs to a serving platter, pour any remaining pan sauce over the top, and serve immediately, best enjoyed with steamed jasmine rice and a cold beer.